East Legon. A tenant bina or ne if you were a landlord. Edi a caprim esija. Not just a women Tim who say, if you say yes, and I'm kind, son, a tenant say, me so, Madam and what bed you must see, I near me be a will fiont na a ya quarter some. Tenant to be a cogy fear or East Legon. Now one or cogy dine one country if you say, or the Bay Night Club. But o kwaji fie no wie na afede fie wura ne hwa tenant na buha no odi we awuram no odi we ahyem odi we ahye ne nyina no na tenant no eye nneema underground enye sa no mudigu nkrata so afie wura ne so onim so obagiye so obetram ne na abusua na afede wode ho aye night club a ehonum eboso na dwopa papa enti court bem na afie wura se wogi ne fie efi eye tenant ne ensem tenant ne so wono so ba wabu baby a bathroom so wabu ayen kase kitchen so wabu di bia wuram ba sha just what tretre niemam hall sha what tretre niemam di bia hihye se sade a ono so kofa bulldozer se wo ba be budan ni nyina agufam o de mayen fa ho kakra emra ne yenhwe.
Currently at Shitwa, a couple of days ago, there had been a social media trend on a property at Osu where the tenant was alleged to have rented the space and had turned the residential property into a nightclub. And according to the landlord, the tenant has refused to pay needed rent and also accused the tenant of illegally wanting to take over the property without their consent. Therefore, they took the matter to court. And according to the tenant, he has been given a court order to take everything that he has, place there, both movable and then unmovable. So early this morning, upon seeing the video going viral on the internet, the tenant decided to come and then take everything he has installed in the place, including the flowers, an office space, which is this one. This is an office space. The tenant, when the tenant came here, there wasn't any structure like this. So he's going to take off everything. This structure was constructed by the tenant in addition to what he came to rent. The back here is another structure as well that the tenant also added to the property he came to rent about half a decade ago. And according to the court order, he's supposed to also take and or remove this structure as well.
I called them that the things are hidden in the warehouse. So I texted mommy that when she comes down, we'll sit down. Then all of a sudden I was there 2 days ago. My name is all over social media with this video. You understand? And the damage that has been caused, so the disrespect is too much.
Oh, okay, sorry. Sorry. I misspoke. Sorry.
Tensions went high and the tenant feels disrespected and also feel his reputation has been damaged with that viral video. This triggered the tenant to come to the property to pull every single item he has added to the property, including movable and unmovable structures per the court order he received from the court. So in the process of grading and pulling down the structures, the lawyer of the landlady and then the boyfriend of the lady who posted the video on social media came to plead with the tenant not to pull everything down and to stop the demolition process, but then would agree to the fact that they have caused a damage to the tenant's reputation and also would want to value every single addition that the tenant has added to the property and then will pay it back to the tenant. This was agreed between the lawyer of the tenant and then the lawyer of the landlady. So both parties agreed to solve this matter amicably. The lawyer of the landlady sincerely apologized to the tenant for causing all this reputational damage.
So I do apologize for being
I'm
human.
Sorry.
But this whole Shetua Bruha hasn't ended yet. Keep watching this space.
Say aposi for a bear money a tenant in the Kasayama. Say Dia was a bugu from near Diana. Woman na can. Mantia sia brasisiano. If you run there was say a war pesica ne ka tenant no. What boy ever can win a fear no winner. What is she man na would to feel a biana few rano. Honor nightclub na or peso de and ninja when tis a siano. Say sana I could see a honor. A queen chuan mas.